Hello, Monica. Good evening.
Hello Sakshi, good evening. How are you?
I'm as fit as fiddle. What about you?
Yes, I am also I am fine. I am right as I rain.
Okay, I'm right as a rain. Yes, you can use it. Okay. We are doing
But
this session after so long.
yes, maybe 3 or 4 weeks. No, 3 or 4 months.
3 4 months. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, how was your day? What was the best part of your day?
Okay. Today the best part of my day are I am were doing with my students preparation for 15 August dancing. So there,
Oh,
that is the best part of the day because I enjoyed a lot that time. I'm preparing for I have I'm preparing two students for dancing.
that's
And
great.
what about you? What is the best part of the day?
My day is best passed most of the time my classes whenever I conduct session with others and practice my English. So that is always best part of my day. But if you ask about day, so it was moderate. Nothing was new. Nothing was. It was moderate as usual.
Okay, okay. I have one more question. What is the bad part of the day?
Bad part, or you can say worst part. Yeah, I
Yes.
was also trying to ask. Hmm, I could not sleep. I could not took nap.
Okay, that is the worst part of the day.
Right. Every day, at least I want 10 minute, 20 minute, but today I could not because
Yes,
back to back.
I also take in a day 20 minutes and 30 minutes nap by which I relieve also and I feel happily also.
Hmm, that's great. Yeah, we should take nap. It helps us to charge and to go back again in our work. Okay.
Yes.
As we are talking after so long and we are conversing after so long, so I want to know about your English journey. That how is it going on?
Okay, it's going good and I meet I'm taking session with my new friends also 2 or 3 so by which I improve more and I have Sunday special session also in with that session we 4 and 5% take session so by which also I improve. Yes.
Okay. So, as you have started recently to talk with people, earlier you were not into this. So, can you tell me what are the changes that you are able to see in yourself that in this by doing this process?
Yes, by the help of that sessions, I'm speaking fluently with friends and with a stranger also sometimes. Before
Hmm.
taking session, I'm not speaking in front of anyone, but now I'm speaking at least. I make mistake. Everyone make mistakes, but I'm speaking fluently. That is matter. So
Yeah, that
that is the effect of all the sessions. Those I'm taking. Yes.
okay. Yes.
So, why did you start your English journey? And sorry, when did you start your English journey, and why?
Okay. When did I start my English journey? So, to be very honest, it's been a 1 year. I'm working on my English. Very, very desperately. I really want to learn English and very serious. I'm very serious. It's been a 1 year, I think. Okay. And before that, also, I was working, but not very serious. They were just okay, just taking some time, not so much. So 1 year you can consider it. And why did I start journey? So this is something that makes us happy. Earlier I was also this kind of me very well. Lack of confidence. We have a knowledge we are not able to share. We are not able to express our ideas. So these are the things that bothered me a lot, and I decided to learn English. Even right now also I'm learning English, and whenever I speak, I converse with people. I feel so confident. I really want to enhance myself as much as I can.
It's great. Yes. Share your hurdles for learn this language.
Okay, my hurdles for learning this language. So there are the very biggest thing that everyone is aware about this people. There are no atmosphere, there are no environment with whom we can
Yes.
talk, we can converse. Okay. The second thing is that correction, because we are self learners. There are
Yes.
no, we are not connected with any classes or with any tutors. We are self learner. So second problem is that nobody is here that who can correct us. Okay, here you are lacking, here you need to correct yourself. Okay, so these are the two main problems that I faced. And nowadays I have overcome this problem, because the thing that earlier I was facing, nobody was there to talk to me. But right now we have people, we are blessed with YouTube. So we have
Yes.
number of co-learners with with the help of that we I can connect with people, I can talk with them. And the second thing is that correction. So by doing practice it happens. Earlier we feel in our when we start our journey, so it happens we feel how many mistakes I'm making, and who can correct me, who will correct me, and if
Yes.
I'm making mistake. These kind of things that bothered us a lot. But by speaking, it happens. I'm sharing is by my experience. When we start to speaking, or when we speak continuously, like right now I'm speaking, so I'm able to understand whatever I will, lacking here, or I will make any mistake, I will know it. Okay, this is the my mistake. Okay, means
Good.
I'm sharing something, whatever I'm speaking, I know that okay, this was my mistake, and next time I will take care of that thing. So it happens, and by practicing it happens by speaking. If we
Yes.
think how can I rectify my mistake, how can I recognize, how can I figure out, okay, this is the problem. But by practicing it happens, not with me but everyone it happens.
Yes. So practice is very necessary. Those who are learner this language.
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me that you have improved. You can see changes in yourself in this 2 3 months, right? Even I can see changes in yourself. Earlier, you were not speaking like this. You were even you were not speaking just broken English, but you are speaking well nowadays. So, what is your plan? Did you decide anything that okay in last next 3 months or next 4 months, I will be consider myself in an intermediate level. Like if right now I ask you, you will consider yourself in a beginner, right?
Yes.
As a beginner, you will consider. So
Yes.
do you have any idea, or did you decide anything that last 4 months or next upcoming 5 months, I will consider myself as an intermediate learner?
Yes. I want to like myself intermediate level, but for that I want to work hard on that language, and I'm
Hmm.
continuing my continue my I want to take a continue my session by which like I improve more and I become a intermediate level also. But here are
Hmm.
some vocab also. I learned vocab, but I forgot because I'm not using all the time vocab. That's why,
Hmm.
and the environment also sometimes all the times we are using Hindi. No one is like in home and other places also. All time we using Hindi. So by which also we didn't use yes we didn't use
I got you.
vocab.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hmm.
So that the reason we take a more time to become a intermediate level. So yes, and yes, after 2 and 3 months, I try I try to my best by which I try to my best. What?
Hmm. It's okay. It's okay, because even I, if you ask me, even I cannot consider myself. I can consider myself better, but if someone asks me, when will you consider yourself as a fluent speaker? I don't know.
Yes.
I don't have, but definitely the thing is that we are putting our effort. We will try our best. Or
Yes, and
consequences, it's fine. Hmm.
Yes, and yes, sometimes I didn't get a time for studying also because I have some other work also, house chores and my job also. So why which I didn't get a time for studying. So I want to manage all the things. And from first, and I take a time to studying. I get sometimes I take a time and sometimes I didn't get a time. So that's why I take more time to learn this language. But no problem. I will try to my best. Then I will earlier
Yeah,
become a
you are doing.
fluent.
Yes,
Yes,
even
I
you
will
are
do a
doing a lot of things, right? You are taking
yes,
care of your house, you are working woman, you are focusing on English as well, you are working on
yes,
your skills as well. So these are number of things. You are multitasker,
yes,
I must say,
yes.
right?
Thank you.
It's okay. We should, we should handle everything. We have to handle everything. So it's fine. And if I talk about
Yes,
vocabulary, it is a lifelong journey. Vocabulary,
yes,
it's not never going to be end.
yes,
Whatever, no matter how much word we know, still there would be some word, okay, I don't know the meaning of this, okay, I don't know the meaning of this. It happens everywhere. This
yes,
thought even bothered me a lot, but now I'm just controlling this thing. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Vocabs, idioms, there are infinite. It's very hard to cover up all these things, and no need to cover up
yes,
whatever the
yes.
need.
But
And the word we use, number of times again and again, definitely that get inculcated in our head, so it's fine.
yes, but sometimes we need to use vocab also. Without vocab, we don't like speaking in a good way. That's why vocab also
Hmm.
necessary to us for speaking
Right.
something. Yes.
Yeah, for that every day we can take one or two vocab, we can construct sentences. This is the best idea to use and to learn vocab. Just try to construct
Yes.
sentences. Fine. Okay, so it was a great talking to you. Anything you want to say?
No, I don't want to ask and share
Okay, but
some.
okay, and thank you so much for giving some time, and just keep learning. Take care of yourself. We'll
Okay.
watch soon.